Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Facebook. First of all, let's launch the Facebook app. You want to go all the way down to the right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it. Then you want to go all the way up where is the gear icon to the top right corner. You click on the gear icon. Then you want to scroll all the way down where you actually see blocking. It's almost in the middle of the screen, right before the payment section. You click on blocking and now you will have a list of pages and people that you block. All you gotta do, it's on the right side, you will have the button to unblock them. Very important, once when you block someone, that person can no longer see things that you post either on your timeline, when you tag someone or someone tag you on image or photo. Also invites for friends in the events or groups, conversation that you're starting, events, your important celebrations still will not be available. After you unblock them, simply means that they will be able to start seeing all of your content, even the previous content that you publish. For example, if you block someone last month and this month you unblock this person, the moment when you unblock the person or the page, they will be simply able to see not only today's content after you unblock them, but all the content that previously was published by you. So you want to make sure that you are aware of that. Also, quick note, this doesn't include apps, games, or groups you both participate in. This means that even if you block someone and if you guys are part of the same app, part of the same game, part of the same group, you're still going to see each other, which is the downside of the app. So you want to make sure that keep this in mind. You want to make sure that if there is a particular picture or event or a video that you block a person that you don't want him or her to see it, now you have to unblock them for a variety of reasons, work or whatsoever. The moment when you unblock them, they can go back and see on the particular date what did you actually post or where you actually went. So if you still want to hide particular content, you want to make sure that you go back to the content and you change the visibility. You can change who can see this picture or this video, and you can filter to particular people of your friend list. Okay, still you go there, you put the people that you don't want to see the picture or the video, then you want to go back and then unblock them. Subscribe and follow for more.